Today's video is sponsored by Storyblocks. Storyblocks is the world's first subscription service providing high-quality, affordable stock footage, animation, After Effects templates, motion backgrounds, green screen, pictures, music, and sound effects. They have it all. All content is royalty-free for commercial and personal use. It's perfect for creatives that want to elevate their production on the budget. I used a YouTuber subscriber pack of animations for Premiere Pro, and it was super easy to install and use. It instantly elevates the look of my videos and makes it look more professional. So make sure you guys check out Storyblocks for all your stock needs. Use my link provided in the description of this video. And again, thank you so much Storyblocks for sponsoring my channel once again. I really appreciate the support. And now let's get back into the video.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences.
Today I have another behind the scenes video for you guys. I'm gonna be using the new Canon EOS R6 and the RF 85mm 1.2 lens. My model for today is beautiful Peyton, and Emilia did her makeup and hair. I will leave both of their Instagrams in the description of this video, so go ahead and check them out. Right now it is the season for all of the wildflowers to bloom here in Alberta, and they're growing absolutely everywhere, even on the sides of the road. So me and my mom gathered a bunch of them and decided to make a beautiful headpiece. It took a lot of time, it was messy, but it was relatively easy to do. Once we made a round base out of the longer pieces, we just kept adding the smaller ones and tying them together with the yarn.
Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else?
I took some inspo from the traditional headpieces we make in Ukraine, and I think it actually came out really cool. So I chose this spot right here because we have all these yellow flowers and it's nicely backlit. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get Peyton to sit somewhere and then have this crown on. Alright, so now let's try with this. So I'm gonna have to also kind of, make your hair like fluffy at the front and just pull some of the pieces to the front. Okay. I think I might need to put it more like this on you. Yeah, that's better. Some of these we kind of just put them in at the very end, so they're kind of falling out. But there we go. Wow, that looks crazy. I mean, in a good way. Wow, that looks so pretty. I'm gonna get the reflector. So usually I don't use a reflector, but this crown is so big that it's like shielding all of the light from you. So I think if we add just a little, just a little bit of a reflector, and I'm gonna prop it onto this guy. Okay, that looks, it looks gorgeous. Wow, it's beautiful. What if you actually grab like one flower and like, rip it, and just you can kind of like play around with it, Yes, that's beautiful, wow. Yes.
Monsoon rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand.
I'm thinking, what if you put your knees like really close to you, kind of like that? Yeah. Stay like that. I'm just gonna push it a little bit this way. How's it holding on? Yeah. Okay. Oh wow, these are so pretty. Wow.
We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I,
Yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh yeah, yeah, that's really nice. That's really, and just look at me while you do that. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. Yes. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous.
you said put us on hold. Let us stop for a minute instead of running. You've always known that if we stop running, that will be done. I wish you knew how much I wish.
Yeah, that's really pretty. What if you like grab it almost like, you know, like really close to you? Kind of just without these going, kind of like this. Yeah, like a baby. Just don't go too high with the shoulder. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's gorgeous. Wow, all of the colors, like everything just works together so well. What if you give me a little bit of a shoulder? Maybe on the other side. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah, grab the dress and bring it up. Yes, exactly. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. That's absolutely
This is the
beautiful.
best it ever gets. I see it in your eyes that we will get hurt again. We will get hurt.
Okay, so yeah, I want you closer to the river, like as if you're about to like cross the river, you know. Okay, one sec. Here I'm trying to get that angle so that I see more of a river as well. Okay, I need a little bit further. Yeah, yeah, there we go. Yeah, you can take like 1 foot, like maybe on the rock or something. Would that work? Like, yeah, 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 yeah. Wow, that's gorgeous. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so keep on moving. You can like move the dress, like pretend that you're like taking steps. You can, or yeah, or like grabbing the dress up.
Back into you. Oh, I wanna see ya. Now I'm ready to be hurt again. I'll end up in your lap.
Yes, yes, yes. You're in the middle of the river. That's so much nicer. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God, Peyton. Like, these are insane. These are like my favorite for like in a while. Beauty, beauty.
We'll get hurt again. That we will get hurt again.
For these next pictures, I really wanted Peyton to sit in the middle of the river on a big rock. So this was the first big rock that we found that she could sit on, but I ultimately didn't really like this location because I wasn't getting any of the backlight here and I didn't like the background blur in this spot. So we just decided to bring that big rock in the middle of the river where the light was beautiful, and that fixed it. I preferred this new location much better. Okay, well, this reflector from this side, I don't think it's doing anything now, unless someone holds it for me. Brad, would you mind holding it for me a little bit? I want to see if it does anything. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God. Wow. That's amazing.
I got concrete walls. Got concrete walls.
I'm thinking, so grab the dress and kind of like really like hold it here, you know? Yes, exactly, exactly, exactly. But then I want to see the other leg again. Yeah, 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 yes, exactly, exactly. That's gorgeous. That's beautiful. And do it more. So put your legs back how they were, because I want to shoot portrait. Yeah, and just literally like what you have right now. Like what you have right now is gorgeous. And maybe don't. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's it. Look at me like this. Yeah. And maybe don't fold this way more. Yeah. Yes, exactly. This way. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, and let's do just one with your feet. I kind of want that, you know, like really, like your feet really. Yes. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, stay like that. I'm gonna move this. There we go. That's just crazy good. Wow, oh my God. I think this is my favorite one.
Hold me tight, don't let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. No, I've tried to let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. But I need you.
And then put both hands just on your knees. And like closer to your knees, you know, like almost, yeah. Stay like that, don't move, don't move. I want to take a few more, just in different angles. Stay, stay, stay.
But I need you, need you. Oh,
For our second location, we changed into a different dress, and by the way, all of my dresses are thrifted. They're mostly from Value Village. This one was slightly too big, so I just pinned it in the back and it fit perfectly now. I chose the second location because of this windy path and the yellow flowers on both sides, plus it was being beautifully backlit by the sunset sun. Oh, Peyton, that's beautiful. Wow.
should have told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
There we go. Yes. Oh my God, yes. Yes, it's gorgeous.
I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you.
And you can kind of like, as if you're touching like the flowers, you know, or like as if you're trying to like sniff the flowers or something. Yeah.
I wish I could show you.
Yes. But then try to like look at the camera as well as when you're doing that. Yeah. Yes. Ooh, that's cool. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. Do that, do that. Oh my Lord.
You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I let you know how it feels.
Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wait. Okay, can you do that, but as if you're grabbing the flower? Yeah, okay. Give me a second. Yeah, there we go. But when you were like, I liked when you were half, you were with one hand like over here and one, yes. Okay, give me 1 sec. It needs to focus on you. Yeah, and look at the flower. Yes. Oh, 1 sec. You need to get a nice spot. Oh. Yes.
If I could see you again, I don't know where to start. I've tried to fix every wound with this lone heart.
These last few pictures I don't have the behind the scenes for because we ran to the spot where we still had a little bit of sun left, but I still decided to include those in the video. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
But if I leave it, I couldn't let me. If I go back, I could turn away. But I would turn back, I'm bound to relapse.
Oh no! Save the bee, Brett! Saving the bee. Saving the bee. How are you doing?
No, it's my
I could put something underneath. I could put something underneath to make it
There we go.